How to log into National Bank of Canada online banking. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open up any web browser you want and search for nbc.ca. Now click in the sign in button and you can choose from a personal or business account. I'm going to select the personal account. Now this is going to bring you to a different page, and here you need to enter your details. So enter your email ID here, then enter your password. Now you can check the box that says remember my email ID if you want your details to be remembered. However, if you're using a shared PC, you can uncheck this box. Now click in the sign in button to log into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on this forgotten password link. Then you will have to enter some of your details such as your email ID, your date of birth and your national bank product. Then enter your debit card number and the expiry date. And then click in the continue option, and this is going to reset your password. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.